Horizon Laser is world-leading fiber laser welding machine manufacturer with more than 10 years experience on laser machines. Horizon Laser 3-in-1 handheld laser machine is an innovative and versatile tool that can perform laser welding, laser cutting, and laser cleaning of rust, all in one convenient handheld device. This powerful machine is designed to provide high precision, efficiency, and reliability for various industrial and commercial applications. Horizon Laser provides you with efficient and fast after-sales protection. We are sure to be your good choice for fiber laser machines. Horizon Laser support OEM and ODM. Welcome to contact us now.